This review is based on the Payoneer debit card and how it will benefit you. I use Payoneer myself and feel qualified to give my opinion regarding this payment processor. Okay, so you are wondering what Payoneer is all about and how will you use it? The prepaid debit card works like any other debit card and you can make purchases in stores, online and at ATMs worldwide where MasterCard is accepted. Cardholders will be able to receive funds immediately without hassles and they can withdraw money anywhere in the world where MasterCard is accepted. Unlike traditional payment methods, no credit or bank account history is required to apply. Payment options include deposits to local banks worldwide, prepaid debit cards, wire transfers, global and local e-wallets, local currency paper checks. Who will benefit? Payoneer Card. Payoneer's private label debit cards enable freelancers, vendors, affiliates and publishers to receive their payouts and commissions immediately. With Payoneer transfers are quick and usually payments are available within 24 hours. If you are tired of waiting for days or even weeks to get your hard-earned money, then this payment processor will work for you. So if you want your $25 bonus at sign up, then you should sign up from the link provided by me below in the description.